All right, everyone. So in this video, we're going to be talking about meme coins. We do have another huge surge of hype for meme coins. Both Shiba INU and Dogecoin up huge, fighting for the number 9 spot in coin market cap. We now have 2 meme coins in the top 10. So we're going to talk about this. If this could be an indicator, we're going to see another market crash, and where I see the market's headed. Some other crazy things happening with meme coins as well I do want to talk about. So before we get started, I do want to remind you guys I am donating 25 cents to charity and 25 cents back to the community for every new subscriber we get up until 1 million subscribers until end of year. Alright guys, so over the last week, we have seen a huge surge of demand for meme coins again. This is a huge indicator. A ton of retail investors are getting into the space. A lot of people do think this will cause another market crash like it did back in May. But I do think the situation was much different at the time, and there was a lot of things that caused a lot of fear in the space in general. Unless we get some big events that do cause and trigger a lot of fear in the markets, I really don't think it's going to cause the entire market to crash. So I'm not really worried about that, but if you guys are worried about that, it doesn't hurt to take small profits off the table. And if you guys want a good exit and entry strategy, the pinned video on my channel goes over my entry and exit strategy, going into detail on how I take small profits on the way up, and then I have reserves to buy the major dips as well. So definitely recommend checking that out. You can also click the link in the top right of this video to go to my crypto guides playlist. Tons of value in there. If you are newer to crypto, I do recommend going through that. All right guys, so jumping into the crypto markets, we do have Bitcoin back above 61,000. We have Ethereum up 10%, closing in on all-time highs there. We have everything else in the top 10 up a few percent as well, but really the focus right now is on Dogecoin as well as Shiba INU and all these other small cap meme coins that are surging, seeing a few 100% profit or more in a short period of time. So we did see this back in May as well, and as you guys know, if you were around at the time, we did have a huge market crash after all of these meme coins started surging. So if we look at global market cap here, this is when meme coins were peaking right here, and when we had peak retail FOMO, and the markets crashed after this. So right around this time, we had Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live, and there was just tons of meme coin hype after that the following couple weeks. But then he did announce that Tesla would not be accepting Bitcoin as payment anymore. There was a bunch of concerns from everyone over environmental issues and China FUD, all kinds of other things happening that did cause the market to crash at the time, bottoming out around $30,000. We have recovered. Bitcoin broke all-time highs. We're starting to see meme coins surge once again. So I have seen a lot of concerns in the past 24 hours that this meme coin hype is going to cause another market crash like we saw in May. But I really don't think the meme coin hype in May is what caused the market crash. It was other events that triggered mass panic and fear, causing the markets to crash like they did. So I do think a lot of the profits being made in these meme coins are going to be flowing back into other projects that do have great utility, high demand coming, and big events coming up. And I do think the crypto space is going to continue in a general uptrend towards end of year. So the markets eventually will peak at some point. So this is why I do recommend having a good entry and exit strategy. It's always good to take small percents off the table, have good reserves for when the markets do crash. You can pick up cryptos at those bottom prices. If you do this for the long term, you're going to be very successful in the crypto space. All right, guys, so we have some crazy stories going around about massive SHIB profits, probably some of the best trades in the entire crypto space in such a short span of time. So this article states someone bought $3,400 worth of SHIB last August. It's now worth $1.5 billion. Insane that this is just on one trade in around a year period of time. And that's nearly 100% or 100,000% return on investment. Insane and unheard of in the entire world. Probably some of the best trades ever. And we have an even bigger one here as well. So this wallet bought roughly $8,000 worth of SHIB last August. It's now worth nearly $6 billion. So who would have thought that buying a few $1,000s worth of SHIB back in August of 2020 would now be billions of dollars? Just insane to think about that. And of course, a lot of people are just throwing any spare change they have into any meme coin they think can make it later on. Pretty much the majority of these people are going to lose their money though, especially doing this during peak levels of hype. You have to get in on these coins when no one else is really talking about them and when volume and prices are flat. So I do think we are going to see a peak of meme coin hype right now. A lot of people are going to lose a lot of money. A lot of people are going to make a ton of money as well. Just be very aware of that. If you do decide to buy any meme coins, just be prepared to lose all of that money. You should only invest with money you can afford to lose. But if it's money that you can just play with and you're okay with losing it, then I don't see anything wrong with buying meme coins. I have bought a few myself that pretty much haven't really moved over the last 6 months, but it's just for fun. It's money I can afford to lose. So we can actually check out this wallet on the public blockchain. I do have it pulled up here. So the current value of the wallet is now at 4.7 billion, and this wallet is going to be fluctuating in billions of dollars as the price of SHIB moves up and down. And of course, they are taking a lot of profits at the same time. You would have to be crazy not to touch this money after turning that 8,000 into what it is. If we check out the wallet, SHIB is really the only token in here besides the free airdrop of Uni that we got last summer as well. They did send out 400 Uni tokens to everyone that had used Uniswap. So they still have that, which is now worth 10,000. Besides that, it's just a couple $100 worth of some other random coins. And then they have some NFTs and other meme coins in here and stuff as well. So pretty crazy to think one investment like that is more money than this person is ever going to need in their entire life. They could probably spend $1 million per day for the rest of their life just off of this SHIB investment. So don't expect to invest in any small meme coins and get anything close to these results, or even becoming a millionaire off of meme coins is extremely rare. Only a limited amount of people will do that. More people will lose money in meme coins than those that make a fortune in it. So with SHIB doing so well, a lot of this money is being recycled and reinvested back into Dogecoin, and we did get a pretty good Dogecoin pump as well. Both of these are fighting for rank 9 in CoinMarketCap. So Dogecoin jumps 44% in one day as traders rotate Shiba Inu profits into Doge. So definitely as SHIB moves up, a lot of people are going to get more confident in Dogecoin, especially with it at lower prices, and meme coin season starting to take off here. Dogecoin being around 30 cents right now, definitely a low price, while meme coins are starting to take off with the support of Elon Musk and many other people in the crypto space. Pretty crazy that SHIB has actually passed that up. So this is stating long Doge and short SHIB. So there is a massive amount of longs in SHIB. It's done a crazy amount of return on investment in such a short period of time. Even after Elon Musk did that tweet saying he doesn't own any, it did crash temporarily, but then continued pumping after that. So there is a tweet here from the creator of Dogecoin. There are no promises in crypto except from scammers. The people telling the truth will tell you that it's just all about risk. Your profits only come from other people taking their own risk. If you lose money, you paid for someone else's risk. Elon Musk responded to this saying, if I send you 2 Doge, will you promise to send me 1 Doge? So I do believe Dogecoin is a bit undervalued right now, especially if the meme coin hype continues. Of course, with Shiba Inu up so much, this is not something I'd jump into at these higher prices here. As you guys can see, this is insane. It actually did peak out a couple days ago. So more likely than not, we are going to have a major correction here for SHIB at some point. We really don't know what's going to happen in the short term. It could have another pump, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum going up. But more likely than not, we are going to get a correction like we did back in September here. But one thing you do have to pay attention to, the price of SHIB actually did correct to a much higher low than it was before the major pump. That's generally how it goes with altcoins. You get a lot of new investors and interest into the project. It does have a major peak, and a lot of these people that got in at these early prices here do take profits. So there's also an article here stating Shiba Inu fetches a new all-time high. 3 reasons why SHIB keeps jumping higher. So the main reasons in this article stating exchange listings, increase access to SHIB, increased accessibility is always great for any crypto. Shiboshis, NFTs. A second reason for the building strength of Shiba Inu was the launch of its own line of NFTs known as Shiboshis. A lot of projects are starting to create their own NFT sets, and just the opposite, a lot of NFT sets are creating their own cryptocurrencies. And last reason here, surging open interest. A third reason for the rising strength of SHIB has been the surge in futures open interest OI on multiple exchanges including OKX, FTX, and Huobi. So Not really major reasons I see why it pumped so huge, but definitely bringing a lot of attention to the project. Of course, with it being so high now, I would definitely not be investing in SHIB at these peak prices. Like I always state, if you do buy a cryptocurrency at an all-time high, you need to be prepared to hold that very long term. More likely than not, it will have a correction, although it will land at a much higher low than it previously was at. But if you do want to get more coins for what you're spending, you should wait until the hype dies off. So I do think a lot of these meme coin profits will be reinvested back into other projects that do have upcoming major events, big upgrades that actually are building real utility. And I actually think this meme coin hype is actually going to help build the crypto space this time around, rather than be part of a huge market crash, unless we get some type of major event that does cause mass fear and panic. So something else I do want to point out here is Binance BNB coin is up 10%, and I do believe that's because there's a lot of demand to meme coins again. Binance Smart Chain is the main blockchain that's used to create meme coins, so of course they're going to need BNB liquidity to provide on PancakeSwap, which probably means that Cake token will be going up with the meme coins as well. So that's only up 1% right now. I'd say that's a pretty good option here as long as the meme coin hype continues. I do think Cake will be surging very soon also. And the more hype that there is and the more volume there is on the Binance Smart Chain, the higher BNB will be going as well. The more demand that's going to come to the Binance Smart Chain. And also we're getting a lot of NFTs launching on the Binance Smart Chain as well. It does have those extremely reduced gas fees. It's pretty easy to use if you're familiar with the Ethereum blockchain. So another article is stating meme coin mania triggers triple digit gains from Binance Smart Chain based altcoins. So as you guys can see, a lot of meme coins do launch on the Binance Smart Chain because most people that are buying meme coins only want to put a few $100s in. So if you're going to the Ethereum blockchain for this, you're going to be paying transaction fees of $500 or more. We're already seeing that transaction fees up to $800 on the Ethereum blockchain again is just not acceptable and makes it impossible for people to invest in these meme coins or any altcoins on the Ethereum blockchain. If they're doing a very small investment, it just rules out so many people. So this is why smaller meme coins and newer coins are launching on the Binance Smart Chain. The more projects that do launch here, the better that BNB and Cake token will be doing as well. So just some random meme coins in here. They're showing results. As you guys can imagine, people reinvesting from other cryptocurrencies into these meme coins, trying to catch the next big pump. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you are considering buying some meme coins, just invest what you can afford to lose and expect to lose that money entirely, especially buying when there's peak meme coin FOMO right now. So also I want to remind you guys, I am donating 25 cents to charity and 25 cents back to the community for every new subscriber on the channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I do appreciate that, and you're giving back. I will be launching this huge community giveaway beginning of 2022. We will be picking some charities to donate to as a community as well through a vote later on. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.